This fall's color palette typically consists of warm and inviting hues such as rich oranges, deep reds, earthy browns, and golden yellows. These colors are perfect for creating a cozy and welcoming atmosphere in your home, especially as the weather gets cooler and we spend more time indoors. Incorporating these colors into your decorations can instantly add a touch of seasonal charm and enhance the overall ambience of your space. Whether through throw pillows, blankets, candles, artwork, or other decor items, incorporating fall colors can help create a harmonious and inviting environment for you and your guests to enjoy. Adds a touch of seasonal decor. Decorating with trays, pumpkins, and leaves can instantly bring the feeling of fall into your home. These items are classic symbols of autumn that can help create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Celebrates the changing seasons. Fall is a time of change as the weather cools down and the leaves turn vibrant colors. Incorporating seasonal decorations can help you celebrate this transition and embrace the beauty of the season. Enhances your existing decor. Trays, pumpkins, and leaves are versatile enough to complement a variety of decorating styles. Whether your home has a modern, rustic, or traditional design, these items can add a touch of fall flair without overwhelming the space. Easy and cost-effective. Decorating with trays, pumpkins, and leaves can be a simple and budget-friendly way to update your home for the season. These items are widely available at stores and can be easily incorporated into your existing decor. Adds a festive touch. Fall is a time of celebrating harvests, Halloween, and Thanksgiving. By decorating with trays, pumpkins, and leaves, you can create a festive atmosphere that brings the spirit of the season into your home. Avoiding common mistakes in fall decoration can help ensure a more cohesive and aesthetically pleasing final result. Some reasons to avoid common mistakes include: 1. Creating a more polished look. By steering clear of common mistakes such as using too many bold colors or overcrowding your space with multiple decorations, you can achieve a more cohesive and visually appealing fall decor. 2. Maintaining balance. A well-balanced fall decoration scheme can help create a harmonious and welcoming atmosphere in your home. Avoiding mistakes like uneven placement of decor items or mismatched color palettes can help maintain this balance. Three. Avoiding overwhelm. Over-decorating or choosing items that clash with each other can overwhelm the senses and detract from the overall ambience you are trying to create. By avoiding common mistakes, you can prevent this overwhelm and create a more inviting environment. Four. Making a positive impression. When guests visit your home during the fall season, you want them to be impressed by your decor choices. Avoiding mistakes in your fall decorations can help make a positive impression and showcase your style and creativity effectively. In summary, avoiding common mistakes in fall decoration can help you create a more polished, balanced, and visually appealing home environment that conveys the spirit of the season effectively. One of the things I like most about this decoration is that it brings nature into the home. It is kept simple without overloading the space in each of the spaces, such as the living room, the dining room and the bedroom, yes, in the latter only with a tray with pumpkin arrangements, candles, an arrangement of dried leaves, a cushion, a painting. What do you think? Would you also decorate your bedroom? If you liked it, please share and give me a like.